Dutch are you ready?
It's like féidir klaar voor.
Féidir klaar voor?
Zijn we klaar?
Zijn we klaar? It's Misha Kayte.
Agus is Misha Erin.
Agus Tommy anseo body and soul. Ach, cad Tommy dá dhéanamh in Erin?
Tommy den seo chun cuaig second J call a thuirta Greenie Erin Dilín le Roth na gCluichí.
Ooh, Roth na gCluichí. Goit, Céhuain.
It's Misha Daisy. We're known. Talon Carja Blahana gum.
No way.
Tama Carja far in my hell Heather.
Okay.
I've got a Heather, a poppy, a daffodil. No.
An bhfuil tú réig tá airt an Rusin a chasa agus stopan sé dúchláin éigen agus.
Okay.
Fan go bheice míad. An bhfuil tú réig.
Tom Rake.
Cos on
Roth! An break is smó inis tú riamh at the hail.
Nor bhí me in my teenage years.
Oh.
I once snuck out and I lay my AD my lava.
I go nuts, yeah!
Agus queer my hair extension. Agus bhí me le my car a poppy freshen. Agus like queer my AD. Agus hair extensions. Agus Honig. It was actually Poppy's mum. Maher Poppy. Honig she
Maher Poppy.
Yeah. She was like, Daisy, Poppy, August.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, we were in so much trouble. Yeah, that was bad. But it was hilarious as well.
YOLO. Gur míle mágad, Daisy. Slán.
Sin all in a
fun. All in a good.
Tanamatóirt.
Lucy.
Kay bhfuil tú ag saoil le feicáil an ucht.
I don't know any of the acts.
So bhfuil tú ré chun an chasa.
Oh, Mary. You.
Yes. Cos on Roth. Oh! So seo an joc bhistéire. So tá muide chun gline a thuirtit le joc bhistéire seachán agus tá ort inistíon céirtá seachán. Now.
Shake your body, don't stop, don't.
You.
Okay. Are you ready to go?
Like lemonade or something? Is it lemonade?
Is Orsha Thieves agus Sue Urasha tá seachán. Urasha just.
It's okay.
Ní bhain an ann sin all saoil an heartburn.
Cé mar atá tú cén Tanamatóirt?
Fez.
Agus cé asú Fez?
I'm from Holland, so I'm a Dutch boy. Like.
Cén Dutch are you ready?
It's like féidir klaar voor.
Féidir klaar voor?
Zijn we klaar?
Zijn we klaar? Tá airt rúna instant doing nor inis tú riamh at the hail de aine.
So I think years back, like back in Ecuador, I left for like 4 days, came back, and my ma was like, "Where the fuck did you go?" I was like, I never told her. I was spiritually finding myself out in the forest with a lot of hippies.
Hippies?
Yeah.
It's got a dime she'd do a mock.
That's still a secret now.
But I'm bummed. Been an Instagram, Roth na gCluichí anseo fhéile, body and soul,
Agus cuoinnig í súil amach dún ag féile ceol gomhlaíb go leabhar. Slán!
Showbiz, baby.